Well, good morning, guys, and welcome back to the cabin. And a beautiful morning it is. It's actually a cool morning. It's overcast. Temps are about 50 degrees. That's about 10 degrees in Celsius, and I'm not complaining about that. I enjoy these cool temperatures. So today, in this video, first thing we're going to do, we're going to put on a big camp breakfast. Big birthday breakfast for me. That's right. Old NB88's another year older. Made it another year. And so we're going to do that first. And then I'm going to roll some film. I did yesterday. I managed to get some work done on the Arcticat ATV. So we'll see how that went. And I also got attacked by a few wasps. Got lit up. So we'll... that was fun. Anyway, first things first, breakfast. Okay, first thing we're going to have, we got this beautiful little moose steak. And on that, we're going to put on some Cabela's wild game seasoning. Unfortunately, they don't make this anymore, but this is real good stuff. And of course, we're going to have bacon. Because no breakfast would be complete without bacon, right? And sourdough bread. And eggs, of course. All right, the way breakfast should be. Oh man. Whew. Where to start? Well, I'm gonna go with the moose steak. Come on. As soon as I sit down, the mosquitoes come. Get out of here. Let's start with the moose steak. Oh, that smells so good. So good. Wow. All right, guys, while I finish this up, I'm going to roll the film from the ATV fix. And I will see you guys back here in a few minutes. Oh, man. Okay, I just got lit up by wasps or hornets or whatever they are. Yeah, so I went to open the door on the shed, and I have a padlock protector over the padlock, you know, just to keep the rain and snow out of it and stuff like that. So I lifted that thing up and to stick the key in, and zap. And so, yeah, I came back and, you know, kind of very quickly, I didn't know if there was just like a one under there or whatever, but then I just quickly lifted it up and I saw a nest, so I dropped it and I ran. So I put this heavy jacket on. I know it's not going to be, you know, super protection, but I'm hoping that might prevent a little bit. I do have some bug zapper, some wasp and hornet zapper. The problem is I don't know how I'm going to lift that up and spray the nest without getting stung again. Oh, the good times never end. Now this would be a good time to have somebody here, and then I could just say, well, you go lift up the padlock protector, and as you do, I'll spray the nest, because you can stand back, what does it say, 6 to 8 feet with this stuff. So I'll just stand back here, you lift up the padlock protector, and as soon as you do, hold it up and I'll spray it. You think anybody would go for that? You can see the nest right there. So as soon as I stuck my hand in to open that lock, they got me good. All right, I see I have a few more inside, but I got a little friend in here helping me out. Check it out. In the corner, I don't know what the deal is with that spider, but looks like he's ripped that little hornet's nest open, and he's going to have himself a feed of hornets. Well, go ahead. There's 2 right above you. Why don't you grab those while you're at it? Go for it, my friend. Okay, let's see if we can get the front end of this bike back together. We're gonna put this on, put the front bar on, which I painted with industrial metal paint. That stuff is really awesome stuff, man. It's chip and scratch resistant. It's I usually use it for tractor implements, and it's about $100 a gallon, but it's real heavy duty stuff. So that should protect that. Then I'm going to put I got a worn winch to put on that and install, and a couple of guards and my lights, and we should be back in business. Now, if you remember, I bent this up really bad, so I think I got it straightened out. I hope it's going to fit, but I really honestly am not 100%, but I think it should. So let's try it. Okay, I am definitely going to put a little thread locker on these bolts to make sure that they never work their way out again by themselves. Okay, I'm trying to get this attached, but it's not perfect. It's not bad though. I'm actually kind of surprised that I was able to straighten it as good as I did. Okay, step 1 complete. It's still not. I might have a problem here. So this arm here is quite bent, and oh well. we go. There, I believe that is hot. I believe that is hot. I also believe it's in the correct shape now. It should fit. Once that cools down, I'll give it a try. Okay, got both of those arms reattached. Now I'm going to put my winch in. This is a Warren winch, 2,500 pounds. All right, winch is installed, and of course it's raining because, you know, why wouldn't it, right? Okay, I'm going to clean up my stuff here and move this operation inside. Hang on. All right, we're inside, and I'm going to do these lights now, and I want to thank everybody for all the suggestions on how to fix these lights. Ultimately, I've decided to go with the JB Weld option. I think this is going to be all right. So I drilled a few small holes through here, put a few wire ties in. I'm going to put some JB Weld on the other side, or on both sides, and I'm going to fasten that. I'm going to fasten that down, and that should hold it. I was going to do the LED light rack, or possibly just put some LED work lights in here and just wire them in. They definitely would have been, you know, 10 times brighter and better lights. But you know what? I rarely, if ever, drive this at night anyways. I just want some lights just in case. So I'm going to try the JB Weld. If this doesn't work, then I'm going to get some LED lights and I'll wire those in. But let's try this first. This stuff is supposed to set for 30 minutes to cure. It's actually been about 2 hours, and that stuff is solid. I mean, it doesn't look pretty, but it's just like liquid plastic, so it hardened solid, and you know what, I think that's going to be okay. All right, another project done. I'm glad that's fixed up. It kind of looks like that headlight there is a little off, but it's actually the piece of plastic that's that goes around it. It's not quite what it used to be, but that's all. So that's no big deal. I can live with that. I got to give JB Weld a big thumbs up, because that stuff is fantastic. You know, $10 versus $300 they wanted for just those plastic light housings. But forget that, man. $10. JB Weld did the job, and yeah. I gotta tell you, I may have to lay down for an hour or two and kind of let that digest. Oh man, but it was some good. All right, so what else have I got planned for my birthday? Oh, I'm gonna go pick up my little girl, and I think we'll go to the range for a few hours, and I think we'll watch a movie, have some ice cream, and call it a day. It's probably won't be any more exciting than that. But that's a good way to spend my day. So, all right, I'm going to end the video here. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're new, subscribe, hit the little bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Smash the old thumbs up for me if you don't mind. Appreciate that support as always. You guys take care and stay safe, and we will see you soon back here at the cabin.